In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a winning email design in Canva for beginners. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a winning email design in Canva, perfect for beginners. We'll keep everything simple, clean, and effective so your email looks great and gets clicks. First, open Canva in your browser. On the home page, use the search bar and type email newsletter or email header. The email newsletter option gives you a full layout you can adapt for your content, while email header is great if you only need a polished banner to place at the top of your email. Choose whichever fits your needs today. Next, pick a ready-made template to jumpstart your design, or start with a blank canvas if you want complete control. Templates are a huge time saver and are fully customizable, so don't worry if the colors or images aren't right yet. You'll change those in a moment. Click any text box to edit your headline, message, and call to action. For the headline, keep it short and clear so it's easy to read in an email. Aim for a single line that makes the benefit obvious. Your message can be brief and scannable, and your call to action should use action words like shop now, learn more, or get the guide. Add your logo or images by clicking Uploads on the left sidebar, then upload from your computer. Drag your logo into place and scale it so it's visible but not overwhelming. For photos, try to use clear, high-quality images that reflect your brand or the content of the email. When you select an image, click Edit Image to adjust brightness, contrast, or saturation so everything feels cohesive. If you need to remove a busy background from a product or headshot, use the background remover for a clean, professional look. Subtle adjustments usually work best. For typography, stick with simple, easy-to-read fonts. Pair one headline font with a body font, and limit your design to 2 or 3 colors for a clean, consistent look. Make sure there's enough contrast between text and background for readability. Your buttons or links should stand out. Use a bold, contrasting color for the button and leave some white space around it. Keep the wording clear and concise so readers know exactly what to do next. When you're finished, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG or JPG for email use. PNG is great for sharp graphics and buttons. JPG can be smaller for photo-heavy designs, and that's how you create a winning email design in Canva for beginners. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.